Hi friends, welcome back to Amber Shimmer. I'm Amber Shimmer. If you're new here, welcome. So today you may notice that I'm a zombie. I'm a sparkle zombie. So here's the thing, like I was walking home and somebody just jumped out at me, right? And they bit me. Yeah, they freaking bit me, right? And now I just have this insatiable craving
for makeup.
So I actually made this look with the Alien Cosmetics Hauntingly Glamorous palette, as well as the Lowest Cosmetics Meet Me in the Underworld palette. The lip is House Labs Sparkle Lipstick in Burlesque. And I used an assortment of eyeliners to get the cuts. Yeah, that's about it. So I thought I would get on here and film. So I'm gonna do a BoxyCharm unboxing. I plan to do some other filming soon, but right now I have BoxyCharm to unbox and I just decided to, you know, get in the Halloween spirit. So now we're gonna unbox. If you're interested in that, stick around. All right, first is the Boxy base, and our theme is Spellbound. Ooh, okay, so first pull out the Ace Beauté Falling For You palette. They recently reformulated. I actually was one of the people who liked their previous palettes, but I hear their new formula is amazing. So, look how pretty that is. Look at that, with that cover. This is a gorgeous fall color story and I look forward to trying out the new formula. So now the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I currently actually have one of these. So I am going to pass it on to a friend because I actually really like this product and I think somebody else should get a chance to try it. So, yeah, I really do endorse these. Let me show you what the bottle looks like. I'm not gonna open this because it's gonna go to my friend, but let me show you what it actually, what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and it is kind of a pearly, you know, serum. Works really great as a primer. Nice, right? And it smells delicious, like watermelon. Now, let's see, the Jelly's Beauty double-sided wing stamp eyeliner. Ooh. All right. So we have on this side like a regular eyeliner pen, and then this side has a wing on it. So let's see. What if we like this? Okay, interesting. You know what? Let's see. We're just gonna go ahead and stamp it onto my zombie look. I can't really tell. Yeah. Nah, can't really tell with the liner I already have, but okay. I will try this out. And the Tint Lash and Brow Duo. It's a brown brow gel and a black mascara. Oh, that's kind of cool. I've always wondered why mascaras and brow products weren't like combined ever. So that's cute. I really like the packaging. That's not sure I like this. We'll try it later on. And the brow side. Okay. It's so far both sides seem a bit goopy for my taste, but we'll see. And then finally, the Julep Beauty Makeup Remover Towelettes. I'm not gonna use these now, but I am probably end up giving these to my wife. She often uses products like this. I don't very often. So yeah, we will give these a try soon. And let's see how much this stuff costs. So the Glow Recipe Dew Drops, MSRP is $34. The Ace Beauté Falling For You palette, $35. The Tint Beauty Lash Plus Brow Duo, $29. The Jelly's Beauty Wing Stamp Eyeliner, $22. The Julep Makeup Remover Towelettes, $20. Okay, I mean, I think there's some pretty decent value in this. The Ace Beauté palette and the Glow Recipe Dewdrops are worth it alone. The other stuff is take it or leave it, but you know, nothing really bad, nothing pissing me off so far like last month. All right, now my premium box. And again, we have Spellbound. And let's see here. So the Perricone MD Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. This sounds solidly up my alley, actually. I use brightening things sometimes, and I think this will probably be the next cleanser I open up. So awesome. I've heard great things about that brand as well. Ooh, okay, so Benefit Georgia Blush. I've actually never owned this one or tried it. Oh, that's I don't really, okay, there we go. Okay, it's pretty. This little brush is kind of weird, but cute. Not mad about that, glad to try it. The Tarte Man-Eater Plumping Gloss. Oh yeah, I've been super into plumping glosses lately. I'm probably gonna do like some sort of ranking soon if I can get around to it. Ooh, that is quite gooey. I'm gonna go ahead and just dab a little on here. Okay, off the bat, it's very reminiscent of the Fenty plumping glosses, the Fenty Heat plumping glosses. It definitely feels like it's more of a warm plumper rather than Milk's is kind of an electric plumper, and Buxom's kind of a, actually, this one's kind of cooling. So I think it's warm and then cool. Cool. Or warm, whatever. I look forward to trying this more times, and stay tuned for where it ranks. 111 Skin Antioxidant Energizing Essence. Okay, it's an essence. I mean, I have essences I already like. I'm not really in the market for a new one. That said, great present to give someone. I don't really think this brand, I think the price that they claim for this brand is quite inflated, generally speaking. That said, I do hear the products are decent, so I definitely feel good giving this to a friend. I think someone who will get more use out of it. And now we have LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer. I am not really a bronzer kind of person. I'm a paley, and I'm fine with that. But this is kind of a cute packaging. I like the rose gold, and that's pretty nice. Yeah, it's fine. You know, not super for me, but sometimes I do wear bronzer, so I don't have a lot of them, so I will be keeping it just so I have options. Currently, I think I only have like one other bronzer that's not in a palette. And now we have Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. Okay. Oh, Filla, apparently. Okay. That's cool. Always like doing like spa days with stuff like this, so That's pretty sweet. Let's look at the prices. All right, Benefit Cosmetics Georgia Golden Peach Blush is $30. The 111 Skin Antioxidant Energizing Essence, $100. The Perricone MD Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser is $35. The LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer is $18. The Tarte Maneater Plumping Gloss, $19. And the Dew of the Gods Collagen Under Eye Pads, $20. So that's for October 2021. They are, I gotta say, the premium, not as good. That said, I've been buying plumping glosses, so this is something I might have actually purchased full price. And I am generally a fan of Benefit, so this Georgia blush is something I'm not mad to get to try. And this cleanser as well. Everything else, you know, again, take it or leave it. But I do know people who I can pass some of this stuff off to, and that really helps. As long as they go to someone who will use them, I'm fine with it. What I don't want is to get something that I don't even want to give to someone else, because that is incredibly wasteful. But I would say this is a pretty good value this month. I am not angry like last month, so we will keep going with BoxyCharm for November, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks again for being here. Hope my face doesn't freak you out too much, unless you're cool with that, in which case I hope it's fucking terrifying. In any case, if you like this video, give her a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe. I post 1 to 2 times every 2 weeks or so. I'm a super busy person lately, but that's okay. This is currently only a hobby for me, so I make videos when I can fit them in. But I love you all, and I'm so glad you're here. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you have a super spooky Halloween. Bye. And